Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing great and fine. This is Sohil and I am a working professional in Bangalore. This is a short feedback video on Savaria's stock mentorship program. So without getting delayed, let's get started. Just to ease up my recording, I have jotted down a list of points which I'll be going through one by one. And I really admire whoever is watching this video because I know you are one among those people who want to take your life forward by attaining the new skill and creating a secondary source of income, which is a very great thing and really appreciable thing. So the first point I have written is, so to get started, you have to understand the interface. You have to understand how the interface works, how to buy a stock or how to sell a stock, and you can and you will be taught that as part of this course. And the second thing is, whenever you come across these terms, Nifty, Sensex, NSE, BSC, at least I used to get very afraid, and those words really used to scare me, but not after this course and not anymore. And trust me, it is not as difficult as it sounds to be. The later part involves the technical part, and as part of this basic course, you will get to know about candles, volume charts, stop loss, trailing, Heikin-Ashi, trend lines, Fibonacci, and moving averages. So you might ask me, okay, I have understood all these concepts. I have understood the definition of what is the stock, what is Nifty, what is Sensex. Fine, I got it. Then what after this? What is the next step? How do these things help me now? So they will help you to make a decision. For example, at least in my life, I came across many people who offer different kinds of deals, like they recommend a stock to buy, they recommend a stock to sell, but that's okay, that might fetch you some amount of money, but you will not understand the technicality behind that decision. Why is it a buy or why is it a sell? Understanding that part is the most crucial part to make a decision on your own, and at least these concepts have helped me do that. And I'm really not joking, or these are just not words. And the course is really organized in a structured format, and I have started making my profits already. I can show you my portfolio currently. So currently I'm at a profit of 18,162. So in figures are not important, definitely. The percentage of return is important, which is 12.65% currently. So I'm definitely sure, or I have never came across a bank which gives me an FD return of 12.65%. And even if they give you, that will be on an annual basis. And these are the returns of around 2 months after my holding. So you can imagine the sort of returns it will give you. And definitely, if you don't follow the rules, you will also get punished accordingly. So it's all part of learning. So here you can see that I have a realized profit of around 14,000 and unrealized profit of around 18,000. And you can also see that I have got losses on few days and I have been in profits on few days, which is all part of learning. And one one short disadvantage of this course is, if you don't follow the rules, Savaria will scold you. Yeah. And I'm not joking, guys. He's really strict, but he's really a great tutor and mentor. And I definitely recommend to take this course, and you will not regret it. Definitely, you will attain a new skill in your life. So, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Have a good day. Bye bye.